Yes, students, now I am taking the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Earlier I explained you 2 by 2, now we are taking 3 by 3. Suppose let a matrix is there and it is of order 3 by 3. A11, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. This we have already done in the, and now I am saying that it is a matrix. Yes. Then it is a matrix, and what we have to find here? We have to find A determinant. What is the A determinant? This is our part for this particular class. So now this A matrix is there and we have to calculate A determinant. Then what will be the A determinant? Now before I explain you the A determinant, I want to explain you about two terms. One is the minor of an element and the other is cofactor of an element. Although it is given after the second exercise, but still I want to explain you this just now. The meaning of minor of an element. See, suppose we take this element A11. So we say it is M11. What is the meaning of M11? It is minor of A11. And how to calculate that minor of A11? See, this element belongs to a particular row and a particular column. That is, this row and this column. So you exclude that part. You exclude the first row and first column and write the remaining thing here. So the remaining part is A22, A23, A32 and A33. So in this way, and now you can solve it by the cross multiplication as we have done the expansion of 2 by 2. So that is the meaning of minor. If you want to calculate, say, minor of 1, 2, say minor of 1, 2, then M12. Now be very careful when you are calculating M12. M12 means you exclude the first row and now this time which column? Second column. So what will be the answer? The answer is A2131 and it is 23 and A3. Once more I am reminding you now. Suppose you want to calculate the minor of this particular element, then you hide this part. Hide this part and write it. Suppose you want to find the minor of this, then hide this and you write the remaining. Suppose you want to calculate the minor of this, now hide it and this one and write this part. So in this way we can calculate the minor of all these elements. Now the second term is cofactor. Minor is generally denoted by M12 yani Mij. Minor is Mij. Suppose it is M11, it means minor of A11. M12, minor of A12. Then cofactor. Cofactor of an element. Now here I want to add that cofactor is generally denoted by, say, A11. A11 means cofactor of A11. And how it is to be calculated? It is -1 power, this is I and J. So I plus J and M11. That is, M11 will be, we are taking M11 from here. Yes. And then in front of that it is -1 power I plus J. So the formula for cofactor is Aij equals to -1 power I plus J Mij. It means in the minor and cofactor there is only the difference of the sign. When this total is odd, then the minor ka negative ho jayega cofactor, and if this total is even, the minor and the cofactor will remain the same. So in this way we calculate the minor and cofactor. I will take this part in the detail afterward, but why I have taken it here is because if you want to expand it, I hope it is clear to you how to calculate minor and how to calculate cofactor. Now if you want to expand it, then what is the formula for expanding this particular determinant? So A determinant is equal to, write A11 and then the cofactor of A11. So it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1 and M11 plus A12 minus 1 power 1 plus 2 M12 plus A13 minus 1 power 1 plus 3 M13. So in this way you can expand it. This is expanding through the first row, then it can be through second row, you can expand it through third row also, first column, second column, third column. So you can expand this determinant in how many ways? In total 6 ways. Now I will be taking an example from this part, then it will be more clear to you. You see now, this can be written as A11 dot capital A11 because this is the meaning of cofactor, plus A12 and it is capital A12 plus A13 and capital A13. So in this way we can expand. This is expanding through the first row. We can expand it through the second row. When you expand it through the second row, then you have to write A21 and A21, A22 and A22 and A23 and capital A23. And I already told you how to calculate this A21, 22, 23. So in this way, this is expanding through the second row, R2. This is expanding through the first row. We can expand it and you will surprise that with all these you will get the similar answer for this square matrix of order 3 by 3. So in this way we calculate. I'll take the example, then the things will be more clear to you for this particular part.